Whenever he calls, I'ma be there. Travis Wayne Goodsell. I don't know if Yah is going to sing along again, but I thought I'd just do this quick video as I was listening to Yamo Be There by James Ingram and Michael McDonald. And yeah, we've got a thunderstorm. We had a tiny little hail with some rain. It's now starting to, yeah, it's dying down. But yeah, a little rumble in the sky. So, yeah, that's what happens when you have inconsistent weather patterns. Weather tends to get over excessive to compensate, to get things back to normal.